Big Bang cosmology, at the first place, is not falsifiable. I hope you know the work of Karl Popper, and we cannot just bypass Karl Popper in science. Big Bang cosmology cannot be proved and cannot be disproved. You understand? This is not a scientific theory. This is religious dogma. I mean, all these ideas that everything has started from the infinitely small point. Actually, Hawking say from the mathematical point that has a infinite pressure and temperature and density. I mean, guys, this is really a bad joke. I can't I can't believe it that we teach this today at universities. Maybe a million of students. I don't know how many students of physics we have on the planet. But all these young minds are somehow, we put all this nonsense in the heads of young people. Big Bang theory should be abolished. This is not science. We do not have a single direct scientific evidence of this huge explosion out of nothing. I'm deeply surprised how the top uh, 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 professors of cosmology don't see that this is absolute nonsense. Never ever. We don't have any evidence that of this big explosion. We don't have any direct evidence that universe is expanding. We do not have. Okay. We have evidence of the gravitational redshift, that the light that is coming from distant galaxies is losing some energy. That's why there's a shift to the red. And we cover up now the story of Big Bang, that this is cosmological redshift and that this is because universe is expanding. This is absolute nonsense, because we do not have a physical theory which would explain Doppler effect in expanding space. Nobody ever creates something like this. This is all bullshit. That we have cosmological redshift because universe is expanding. That's such a nonsense. Nobody ever did experiment of Doppler effect in an expanding space, guys. We know very good what is Doppler effect. A Doppler effect was always carried out in the stationary space. Our solar system is in the stationary space. There is no expanding at all. Because if universe would expand, then the gravitational force between stellar objects would change, and there would be no stability of galaxies in the universe if universe would expand. I mean, let's stop this nonsense of Big Bang cosmology for the God's sake. Thank you very much for your attention.